I just wanted to shoot a quick video for Wesley, billion-dollar virgin, and his entire team. The Done For You service is great. I got my ad activated last night, and after following Sean's great videos, and I woke up today on my birthday, by the way, and check this out. I know this is gonna be upside down, but you can see it right there. That is my first sale, one of many. So to the Facebook team, Wesley, thanks for putting this information out. The mindset stuff works, and let's get it. Later!
Hey y'all, I just got my first sale using the Done For You service and Wesley's program. Thank you so much to Wesley and Ariella. I just have to say that they set it up for you completely. You don't really have to do anything but watch a few videos, make a few clicks, and it's that in combination with Wesley's program is like really, really life-changing. So if you're on the fence, don't be on the fence. Hop over the fence and get the program.
Hi, my name is Crystal Green and I am from Dallas, Texas. So I just want to give a huge shout out to Wesley, billion-dollar virgin, and Ariel, the queen of funnels. I am so grateful that I have gotten the opportunity to join this program and join this movement. Oh my gosh, it is so crazy. Within the first 2 months, I made $10,000. Oh my gosh. Yes, let me say that again. The first 2 months, I generated over $10,000. Oh my gosh, just hearing the messages from Wesley Virgin and Ariella day in and day out. I listen to him every single day. His motivational speaking, the way that he thinks and the way that he moves. I just dove myself into that, and I generated over $10,000 within 2 months following everything he said to the T. I followed everything. I did not miss a step. Ariella, oh my gosh, girl, you are amazing. I am so grateful for you as well. You know, you are there for the team. You're always on point. You give support. Like, guys, if you have any type of doubt of trying to join this program, like, you are just bananas, because you are missing out on so much opportunity, not only financial freedom, but also to have a more positive mindset. I have so much more energy. I feel so much more liberated. I just have more positivity, patience, everything, just because of the Wesley Virgin's program and Ariella's program. Like, I'm so excited, and I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart, guys. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity and showing other people just like me. I'm a single mother of 3. So there is no excuses, guys. 0 excuses. So get in there, do what you got to do, take action, and let's get to the top. Peace, millionaires.
Hello Wesley and Ariella, thanks a lot guys for creating the Done For You services and for helping people all around the world to make money online and to understand what is online marketing and to really understand what they want from themselves. From when I'm following Wesley and I started the program about 1 month ago, I wasn't knowing nothing about online marketing. I wasn't knowing nothing about meditations, visualizations and stuff like this, but now I'm much more confident, I'm much more motivated, and obviously guys, I started to make money online. Everything, it depends on you. Thanks Wes, Ariella, you're great guys, and I hope that you will do this more and more. Bye bye and let's go!
Hey guys, I hope you're awesome, because I feel awesome to be in this group. Done For You service is absolutely great. Thanks. Big thanks to Wesley, Ariella, Permit, all the team. This is absolutely incredible. I got my first sales a few days ago, and I'm getting more now because it's most likely an automated system. Then it's very easy. You just have to follow the steps. Follow the steps. Follow them. If you don't understand something, you just have to ask Permit or Ariella anyway. Somebody of the team, and they will help you straight away. Sometimes you can feel that something is not working because you're not getting sales straight away, but we always want things straight away. Guys, we cannot want everything right now. We just have to trust and do what we have to do. Do the steps and meditate. This is the secret, guys. I'm really excited to be in this group and super motivated and super happy. Now I am enjoying my day as every day, because for what I'm seeing, I just quitted my job and I don't want to do my slave job anymore. Even I'm enjoying doing it. I'm a carer, but anyway, I can do that for free if I want. Then, guys, what I want to say is, first of all, believe in yourself. Second, trust the process. Third, enjoy your success.
What's going on, guys? Alan Soul Star. I want to first give a huge shout out to Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin, and Ariella for putting me in a position to be able to start generating wealth online. If you ever had any doubts, I promise you that it's worth it. Alright? Look, check this out. I got my Samsung screen right here. It's a huge curved screen, so I can, I don't know if you can see this, but I got my MacBook right here. That right there, those two things, that's $3,000. Got my $1,600 keyboard right here by Yamaha. It's an OX8. This big ass board. I don't know if you can tell all this stuff. This right here, that's $800 in itself. So it's not a game. I'm getting things together, you know what I mean? And I'm just grateful to be in a position to generate this money like I am. And I feel like anybody can do it if I can, and I failed a lot. I promise you, I've lost quite a bit trying to attain wealth, and this is something that's actually working for me. So I want you guys to really take into consideration, when you're doing this and then you actually see things as not going as smooth as planned, that doesn't mean that it won't go. It just means that it's going to take you time to grow. You invest properly and you will see a change. Okay? Alright, look, I ain't got enough time. I'm about to go to work. But I promise you guys, just stick to it. You're going to love this.
Good afternoon, good people, good morning, good night, wherever you are in the world that's wanting to give a quick testimonial video for the Done For You services. I just want to put it out there. I finally had gotten my first sale, and actually it happened as I was going to bed. I was to close my eyes and I hear cha-ching. I'm like, oh no, guys, it works. Okay, power, prayer, dedication, follow everything Wes says, because the man is no joke. Thank you to Ariella as well, for being there for me when I needed you. I can't tell you how much I appreciate that. Trust the process, guys. Trust the process. It will work. You may get one right away, you may not get one right away. It trust the process, and remember, we will all have a spot at the top. We will all have a seat at the table. Okay, Done For You services is the way to go. And on that note, let's go. See y'all.
Hi everybody, I'm Kim Harker. I am calling to say thank you to Ariella and Wes and the team at Done For You Services and Overnight Millionaire. I have to say, this is my third program, and this particular program, the other programs weren't bad, but this program has a quality to it that the other two didn't. And I have to say that the motivation, the inspiration, the preparing your mindset. Wes and Ariella really understand that, and they really emphasize that as much as teaching you, to work online and to learn and understand. As a newbie, I needed to learn everything because I've never done anything on anything like that on a computer. Maybe an email here or there, but really, truly a newbie. And Ariella is a newbie too, and she has really worked very hard to get where she is. And it is about a mindset, and Wes makes that very clear. And so almost half of what you do probably is just as much as mindset as it is the learning, the mechanics of what you need to understand. More importantly, I think, is the mindset. If you don't have the right mindset, nothing you do is going to manifest. So they really understand that. They make it very clear. And so I have to, again, thank you guys. Thank the team for all your support. I did my 3 sales, 3 in 1. I'm really excited. I was really excited when it was in my bank account. That's really when it hits home, right? So thank you guys again. Yay! Let's go!